Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. Today's lesson we are going to discuss about modal verb must. In this class, you are going to learn about the different meanings of must and how to use modal verb must in English. Must. To talk about obligation. Must is used to talk about obligation. You can use must to talk about obligation and rule. Example, I must attend the wedding. The bride is my cousin. I must attend the wedding. The bride is my cousin. This is an obligation. It's something important to me. I feel it is necessary to attend the wedding. So, to express obligation, we have used must in this sentence. I must attend the wedding. The bride is my cousin. Example number 2. All students must hold their ID card. All students must hold their ID card. This is a rule. The students can't choose to write the exam without the ID card. Here, if you must do something, you have no choice. There is no choice for you other than this. You have to hold the ID card if you want to write the exam. So, for expressing rule, we can use the modal verb must. These are the things that is important or necessary to do. You must use must because you have no choice. So, to express obligation and rule, we can use the modal verb must. When you use must for obligation, it means that it is very important to you. The wedding is important to you. You must attend the wedding because the bride is your cousin. So, the wedding is important to you. So, you have used the modal verb must here for expressing obligation. Using must is something matches to you. You must be here on time, otherwise you will miss the bus. Next example, I must finish the assignment today. I must finish the assignment today. Students must submit their record note tomorrow. Students must submit their record note tomorrow. Here, must is mostly used in formal English to talk about obligation and rule. Next, prohibition. To express prohibition, we can use the modal verb must. Using must to talk about prohibition. You can use must not to say something is not allowed or forbidden. This is the opposite of using must to talk about obligations or rules and is similar in meaning. Example, you mustn't smoke in the train. You mustn't smoke in the train. It means smoking is forbidden and it is against the rules to smoke here. It is not okay to smoke in the train. Look at this example. Passengers must not use mobile phones while the plane is flying. Passengers must not use mobile phones while the plane is flying. This means that it is forbidden to use phones. Must not in this meaning is similar to can't. You can use must not in formal and informal English. Another meaning for must is giving strong advice. Must can be used to give someone advice or recommendation. You can use must to express advice or recommendation. Example, You must read this story. It is interesting. You must read this story. It is interesting. If you go to Mumbai, you must take a walk by India Gate at night. If you go to Mumbai, you must take a walk by India Gate at night. We must appoint new teachers as early as possible. We must appoint new teachers as early as possible. In these examples, must has a strong meaning, that is, advice or recommendation. If I say, you must read this story, it is interesting, I don't mean that you have an obligation to read the book. I mean that I really recommend this book. It doesn't mean that it is a rule or an obligation. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.